This app pays $10 to $100 weekly if you know how to cut your onions very well. Yeah. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download this app, how to register, how to sign up, and how to work on this app. Okay. So before I proceed, my name is Celine, a mom, a content creator. In this my channel, I share about legit money making apps. But before you join, please make sure that you do research. Mind you, earnings may vary. So you might earn, I might earn, you might not earn, I might not earn, or vice versa. So bear that in mind. Disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. I'm just sharing the apps that I am working, my experience, my review. So feel free to make research before joining any of them. So for you to get started on this app, click the link at my comment section or my description. It will take you to Play Store where you will download this app. Okay. So after downloading it, sign in with your Google account and choose your gender. Once that is done, the app will open. So once it's open, click on me. Then you scroll, you will see my agency. Click on my agency and join my agency. Then click on bind invitation. Yeah, you will not see my own here now because I'm already more than 24 hours I joined this app. So you will see bind my inviter. Click it and bind my invitation. My invitation and my agency code will be at my description or my comment section. All right, so after that, the next thing is to do face authentication. Click on verification center, then you do gender verification and profile verification. Okay, so this app specifically work for both gender. Okay, but if you're a female, yeah, you earn without investment. But if you're a man, you invest before earning. Yeah, you buy coin, play game, gamble before you can meet up the minimum withdrawal to withdraw. Okay, so if you're a man, you want to work on this app without investment, you can choose female while registering. Okay, and mind you, if you are from Africa or living in any of the African, if you are from Africa and you are living in any of the African countries, please do not use African countries to register on this app. Okay, you can use France. Yeah, choose any of the VPN you like, be it paid up or free one. Choose France. Yes, make sure you choose France. So if you really want to join my agency, choose France, because if you didn't choose France and choose other country, you will not be able to join my agency. Yeah, that's the procedure of this app. Okay, so but if you are not from African country, you don't need any VPN. Go ahead and download the app, and yeah, if you're able to join my agency, fine and good. All right, so you join my agency. So let me show you. Yeah, after verification and everything, once you are approved, that is how your everything will tick good. Okay, so once you apply for agency, I will approve it. Then the app will be the one to approve your gender verification and your profile verification. Okay, so if you are from Africa, or yeah, from Africa, please do not verify your phone number. Okay, but if you are from other countries, yeah, you can verify your phone number. Yeah, so this is where you check your diamonds, how much diamonds you have accumulated. As you can see, I've accumulated 5,000 diamonds so far. So their minimum withdrawal is $5, which is 25,000 diamonds. So you can withdraw through this method: Pioneer, ePay. Okay, yeah, Pioneer and ePay. You can also withdraw from bank transfer if you are from other countries, or apart from African country. So African country, you can withdraw with ePay or Pioneer. Then if you are from other countries, you can withdraw with other payment method, yeah, like bank transfer or through official. Or even if you have, if ePay or Pioneer is working in your country, you can as well use it. Okay, so these are the tasks that you can perform and earn on this app. Okay, click on tax, you see it, check in daily, you gain coin. Then when you enter a chat room, be it your own or another person's own, and stay for 5 minutes, you earn 50 diamond. When you get a gift in chat room, you earn 50 diamond. When you open 10 chests in King's Expedition, you get 20 diamond. When you join family, 100 diamond. Upload more than 3 pictures to your privacy album, you get 150. Complete phone verification, 100. If you post a moment, 100. If you have more than 1,000 followers, you get 1,000 diamond. If your moment gets more than 500, you get 1000 diamond. Okay, so that is for that tax, for regular tax. Then diamond, you see this diamond here, this week you have this week's live video tax. Okay, your valid on my duration and diamonds received in live video will be calculated and will be settled at 01 on the first day of the following week. Okay, so if you are, if you let me expand this. So live video duration 0/1 hour, live video gift to receive 1000. So if you're able to receive 1000 gift in your live video duration, okay, so by first week, first day of the following week, you will receive reward. Okay, this is the streamers reward: 500, 1000, 3000, 5000, and so on and so forth. Okay, so this gift, these bonuses are according to the gift you receive during your live video. Okay, then we have also chat income bonus. So if you're able to chat up to 1500, accumulate diamond of 1500, you will earn extra 750. The platform will give you bonus of 750. Then if you earn 3000, you receive 15. If you earn 5000, you receive 25. That is it, so on and so forth. If you are able to earn up to 15,000, you receive 7500. Then this one is daily call income. So daily call income, if you're able to receive 7500 diamond in your call, the platform will reward you with 3000 diamond, so on and so forth. Then this one is daily gift income bonus. Okay, so this daily gift income bonus, if you're able to receive gifts of 5000, the platform will give you 1000, 10,000, 2000. Then this one is month's income reward. So the month's income reward, if you're able to receive up to 50,000 gift in the month, the platform will reward you with that 5000 diamond, and you must complete your hours. As you can see, I've done 3 hours, it remain 15 hours. So if I'm able to complete these 15 hours within this month of March and I receive up to 50,000 diamond, then the platform will reward me with that 5000 diamond. All right, so if I'm able to receive um yeah, so on and so forth. If I'm able to receive 100,000, yeah, 150, 150,000 gift, the platform will reward me with 105,000 diamond. All right, once I complete my 15 hours task, 15 hours sitting on mic for that month. Okay, so how to sit on mic is very easy and simple. Click on your room, then click on this house here. Yeah, you create your room and enter. This is my room now. I take mic. I am sitting on my room right now. So you can be on your room and be replying to messages. These are platform messages. Okay, so once I click it now, I click on I've replied here. You can create, generate um custom message that you will use, auto reply message here with your picture and your text. Okay, you know now, good text and good picture, yeah, that you will be using to reply to people. Okay. So once you send the greeting message to them, once they reply you and you reply back, you start earning on messages. Then when they call, you also earn. Then when you sit on your platform, on your panel like this for 15 hours and receive up to 50,000 gifts, you also earn. When you go to people's platform, yeah, you can minimize. Yeah, when you go to people's platform and receive gifts, they also calculate it as your diamond. Okay, you can go to people's platform. Once they allow you to sit, you sit down. Yeah, this one only members can sit here. So anywhere you go and they allow you to sit down, feel free and sit. Okay, yeah.
Est-ce que je t'ai posé la question, Véronica? Est-ce que je t'ai posé la question?
So feel free, go to any room. Once they allow you to sit down, okay. Yeah, that's all about. Yeah, have not told you guys the name of the app. Oh my god! So the name of this app is SUGO, SUGO. That's the name of the app. Okay. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like this video, share this video, turn on your notification. Okay, so that whenever I make any upload like this, you'll be among the people that will get notified. Without no further ado, let's call it a day. Bye, guys. See you all in my next one.